Mhm. Okay, good. Oh, it's just a little piece of skin back there. I got it. Still good.
Do you want to have a bite? I'll give you a bite you can't refuse.
No, that's fine. I am done.
Well, this is quite the spread.
Oh, yeah. Look at all this cheese. Nom nom for.
I'm glad we could finally make this happen. I know I've been a little hard to pin down. It's just we're a family-run business, and there's some apprehension about branching out.
I totally get that. We are also a family-run business. This is my sister.
Oh, I thought you had a male business partner.
Oh, I do. She is an intern.
Oh, in training to be CEO of executive buying.
Okay. Anyway, I just thought if we partnered together, we'd be able to extend your customer base and raise your brand awareness.
Ultimately, like, raise brand awareness.
Listen, David, I love your store, but I want to be upfront with you. I have been approached by a couple of other retailers that I have to consider.
Someone's in demand, isn't she? Which makes sense because this cheese is amazing, and like I don't usually love goat cheese, but
Thank you. I do have some prize-winning goats, and it doesn't hurt that I'm dating a vet.